What's up guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to change the watch face of your V6 smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to change the watch face of your V6 smartwatch. All we have to do is we are going to go to our Yoho application. So let's click Yoho Sports. Okay. And after that, we are going to make sure that our smartwatch is connected. Okay, now guys, all we have to do is click on the band display settings, and boom, you can see there the different smartwatches that you can choose. It's amazing, isn't it? Yes, in my case, I'm quite surprised that they have this kind of support. So now I'm gonna choose this puppy here. So actually guys, it has 9 watch faces and those are really nice. So let's click here this cute puppy here, and let's just click sync watch face, and as you can see in our smartwatch, so it's already syncing. I'm really glad guys, because in our previous smartwatches in this price range we really didn't have the ability to change the watch face, but this time it's here. And okay, our smartwatch is vibrating. And ta-da! We already have our puppy. It's so cute. And guys, in what's another amazing feature is we can actually customize the watch face. So let's say here, let's choose custom, and can change actually the background. So let's have the album. And guys, we really want to have our custom wallpaper, custom watch face, but unfortunately it crashes and I don't know why. So maybe we will just wait for a software upgrade so that we can somehow use this one. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.